Hi guys, my name is Mikołaj and today I'll be fixing my biggest mistake on my Ford Focus. I decided to ditch the OEM headlights for something that looks, much cooler. I bought the $200 headlights on eBay. I know, I should have not done that. Well, the OEM headlights, not only I want to go that something, that's black, like I mentioned in my other videos, but also the OEM headlights were leaking. It seems that at some point somebody hit the passenger side headlight, and because of that the headlight was leaking. I had water after a simple car wash. Got those eBay headlights, put them on, everything worked beautifully. Didn't have a chance to even do an update. Went to a car wash. Now both headlights are leaking. Probably I would send them back, but I throw away the damaged OEM headlights, so I had no headlights to put back on the car. As a result, I'm going to fix it and going to show you what I did. Well, let me show you what has happened. I got those cool headlights on eBay, went to car wash, and they just filled with water. Both left and right are all foggy up. Actually, I already took them off. There was about this much water in them, and when I just removed them, everything leaked through here. So basically there's no sealant. We are going to take them apart and reapply the sealant on those headlights. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, let's start the disassembly.
One long, angry line later. A lot of boring math later.
So I already did one headlight. We are going to use the green tape to actually mask off parts. Basically, as you can see on this headlight, I'll just smash the silicone over, and I don't want the light to get smudges, etc. So that just ensure that we have somewhat nice cut off of the silicone. I'm not going to do I'm not going to try to be how good with it, because it's all hidden under the hood and it will all get dirty. I did once before on Ford Flex. Actually, I used a black silicone. Now that I'm thinking, probably that would be a good idea, because then it looks just like part of the housing.